Joint tenancy is a common legal way for two or more people to own property together. Let's look at how it actually works. At its core, this is a form of legal ownership where each person has an equal right to the property. In a joint tenancy, each owner technically holds an undivided interest in the entire property, rather than just a specific portion. The most important feature is the right of survivorship. When one owner passes away, their share automatically transfers to the remaining owners. Unlike tenancy in common, where you can leave your portion to heirs, joint tenancy ensures the property stays with the surviving co-owners. Because the interest passes outside of a will, joint tenancy is often used as a tool to bypass the lengthy probate process. Since this setup overrides your will, make sure it aligns with your long-term goals before moving forward. Understanding ownership structures helps you plan for the future. Check back soon for more basics on managing your assets.